Welcome back. In this video, we are going to download VMware Workstation, ESXi Host and vCenter from Broadcom side. Why Broadcom side? Of course, you heard that, right? The vCenter, the VMware has sold this product to Broadcom and the connection server was sold to the Omnisa. Okay, so let's get started. So you can just go to this portal support.broadcom.com and you can just type in this URL and you will redirected to sign in. Of course, if you have not yet sign up with the Broadcom, just sign up and just log into this site. Once you in here, just go to this section, this section, my downloads, and just click on here, free software download available here. Click on it. Of course, it's free to download. Okay, come here, cross here in the last and click on VMware Workstation Pro. Now, if you are installing your VMware Workstation on Linux platform, do this one. I'm installing on my Windows machine, that is Windows 10 or 11. Just click here. Okay, and you can choose this one because this newer doesn't have any release 11 info, so better the one we can choose which is tested. Okay, so I'm clicking on this one. Now come here and just click on this download button. Prior to download this file, additional verification is required. Proceed. Yes, do it. Now click on this one, download HTTPS download. Come again in my downloads, and now this time we are going to download the VMware hypervisor, VMware vSphere hypervisor. Now click on this VMware vSphere hypervisor, click on this one, release, and there is just one, right? So just click on that. Now if you want to learn a little bit about this ISO file, just click on this one, description, additional information. Boot your server with this image. In order to install ESXi, requires 64-bit capable servers, meaning the 64-bit processor family. This ESXi image include VMware tool as well. Okay, click on download. Downloading is started. I'll pause it. I already have it. Go again back to the my downloads, and this time we are going to download the vCenter. Okay, click here, vCenter. Don't look for any other application, okay, else you will going to confuse. So just do what I'm trying to achieve here, downloading. Okay, so VMware vCenter 8.ou3. click on this one. We see this will redirect you to the new page. That's okay. Now go down. Do not download the first one, the fp.iso file. This is for the patch. This is for update trip. Okay, so do not download this two. You can download this one, VMware vSphere. Okay, VCSA, vCenter server appliance. Okay, of course you can just click on this and you will get the description. VMware vCenter server appliance ISO. It includes the UI and CLI installer for install, upgrade and migration for VMware vCenter server appliance, VMware vSphere update manager and update manager download services. Okay, so this is the one we can download. If you go to this one, let's read the description. Patch for vCenter server 8.0 with bug fixes. Okay, we click on this one. Use this package to update from any released VMware vCenter server appliance. Okay, so we really don't needed this two, we needed this one. Just click on download. Okay, so in this video I'm just trying to let you know that how you can download the VMware vCenter product from this support.broadcom.com. Let's see you next video. Thank you very much.